Welcome to our statistics course. This semester, we will study statistics using the free OpenStax textbook. You can refer to the syllabus and download a copy or to read the book for free online. First, we will introduce what is statistics. Most people became familiar with probability and statistics through various media, for example, the TV, the internet, or the newspaper. The following are 4 statements that have statistics in it. The first statement, nearly 1 in 7 US families are struggling with bills from medical expense even though they have health insurance. 1 in 7 is a statistic. About 15% of men in the US are left-handed and 9% of women are left-handed. 15% and 9% are statistics. The median age of couples who watch Jay Leno is 48.1 years. Here we introduce the concept of median age, and 48.1 is a statistic. Eating 10 grams of fiber a day reduces the risk of heart attack by 14%. The 14% is a statistic here. You might ask, when and where will I use statistics? Statistics is everywhere. For example, in sport, the coach will use statistics to select players for any game, and sport is $1 million business. Public health administrator might be concerned with the number of residents who contacted a new strain of flu virus, and that's also how they detect a new strain of flu virus, is looking at the statistic. In education, a researcher may want to know if a new teaching method are better than old ones. And again, they have to compare, they have to have experiments to see whether a method is an improvement. Now, quality control is also an example when statistics are used. When you produce thousands of products, it's impossible to test each one of them. So you might select just a batch, randomly some sample, and see how many of those are defective to determine the defective rate. And another big application for statistics is when we're trying to predict something. Why should we study statistics? First, we want to be able to read and understand various statistical studies performed in our own field, in our career. So we want to understand the vocabulary, the symbol, the concept, and statistical procedures. Or we want to conduct research ourselves in our career, which requires ability to design experiments and involve collection, analysis, and summary of data. Last but not least, we want to become better consumers and citizens. With the understanding of statistics, we will be able to make a decision about the correctness of a statement or claim. Statistical method can help us make the best educated guess.